friends. My name is Miss Allison. We have a special activity planned today, and my friend Miss Betsy is going to do a real life seed dissection with us, and I can't wait. So, can anyone remind me, what is a dissection? What does it mean to dissect something? That's right, scientists. To dissect something means to pull it apart and examine it and check it out and see what you notice. Are you ready to get started? Let's go find Miss Betsy.
Hey garden friends, Miss Betsy here, and I am so excited to talk to you about seed dissection. Are you ready to jump right in? Awesome, let's go. Now when we do our dissection, I want you to look for 3 different parts of a seed. Here they are in this little drawing. They're called the seed coat that covers the seed, the cotyledon, that's that big inside part of the seed, and the embryo right here. And the way I remember those is by singing the Ode to Seeds song. Are you ready? It goes like this. Cotyledon, embryo, embryo. Cotyledon, embryo, embryo. Don't forget the coat before you go. Cotyledon, embryo, embryo. So let's do that dissection, and we'll look for those 3 parts. We're ready to start our dissection. Can you guess which fava bean has been soaked for a week? That's right, it's this one. You can tell because the one that hasn't been soaked is hard, a darker color, and it doesn't have anything popping out of it. Let's take a look at what this fava bean looks like on the inside. And we're looking for those 3 parts. I'm going to start by removing this part. Can you guess what it's called? You guessed it. It's the seed coat. The seed coat covers and protects the seed, just like our coats cover and protect us. Next up, I'm looking for the embryo and the cotyledon. Do you have a guess which is which? I'm really excited to open this seed up and find out. Wow. So remember how the cotyledon is that big part of the seed right here. It's actually the biggest part of the seed overall. And it's the part that feeds the little baby plant that's trying to grow. We're going to put this little half down there. And right here, you guessed it, it's the embryo. The embryo is a tiny baby plant. It's made of a little root and a little plant shoot, including a tiny leaf. Let's separate it from what's left of the cotyledon and take a look. Wow, isn't that interesting? So the little tiny leaf is starting to grow right here. And this is the first root. How amazing! That was an awesome seed dissection, everybody. Nice job.
All right, garden friends. Thanks so much, Miss Betsy, for doing a seed dissection with us. It is now time, though, for us to do our garden challenge. Oh, yeah. Okay, so for your garden challenge this week, we want you to go into your kitchen and look around and find some seeds. And if you're a little stumped and are like, where am I going to find a seed in my kitchen? I'll show you a couple seeds I found in my kitchen. So in my kitchen, I have this can of black beans. Beans are one of my all-time favorite seeds to eat, and you might find them in a can, or you might find dried beans in a bag. Also in my kitchen, I found these cute little seeds, like this. And guess where I found them? In an apple. So once you find your favorite seed in your kitchen, you come back to Seesaw and you can do a video blog or draw a picture and tell us about your favorite seed and why you like it. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for coming to garden class, and we'll see you later.